Who threw the shoe? Crocodile is about to doze off when, whack! A shoe hits him on the head. Whose shoe is this? He snaps. He has an idea. Perhaps this shoe belongs to Frog. Is this yours, Frog? Crocodile demands. No, my foot's way too tiny for that big shoe, Frog replies nervously. Is that so? Crocodile says as he walks away. He gets another idea. This shoe must belong to Ostrich. Crocodile calls out, "Here's your shoe, Ostrich." But my foot is way too slim for that white shoe, Ostrich exclaims, panicking. Is that so? Grrr. Crocodile is getting angrier. This shoe must belong to Rabbit. He growls. To whom does this shoe belong? The rabbits shake with fear. No, our feet are too long for that shoe. It could never fit us. But it must belong to someone. Crocodile growls and stomps off angrily. Just then, a snake slithers by. Crocodile growls, "Snake, this shoe is yours, isn't it?" Snake stammers, But I don't even have feet." Embarrassed, Crocodile flees. He can't figure out who threw the shoe. When I find out whose shoe this is, Crocodile shouts, I'm going to give them a piece of my mind. At that moment, a lion charges towards him. I'm looking for a shoe, says Lion. Have you seen it, Crocodile? Crocodile shrugs. I haven't seen any shoes this morning. What am I going to do with the shoe now? Well, Crocodile thinks. Someone threw it at me. The shoe flies through the air. Ouch! Growls Bear. Whose shoe is this? Now, let's explore some of the key vocabulary that's been highlighted here. Throw. Threw is the past tense of throw. It means to make something fly through the air by pushing it with your hand. For example, she threw the ball means she made the ball fly by using her hand. Doze off. Doze off means to fall asleep for a short time without planning to or realizing it. For example, I dozed off during the movie. This means I fell asleep for a little while without meaning to. Snap. Snap has many different meanings, but in this story, it means to speak suddenly in an angry or annoyed way. For example, crocodile snaps. This means crocodile talks quickly and angrily, maybe because he's upset or surprised. Belong to. Belong to means something is owned by someone. For example, this book belongs to me. This means this is my book. That toy belongs to my brother. This means that toy is his. Demand. Demand means to ask for something very strongly or firmly, not politely, but like you really want it and won't take no for an answer. For example, he demanded an answer. It means he strongly asked for an answer. The workers demand better pay. This means they strongly want more money for their work. Nervously. Nervously means doing something when you feel worried, scared, or not confident. For example, she nervously walked onto the stage. This means she felt a little scared and not sure of herself. When you do something nervously, you might bite your nails and move your hands a lot. Slim. Slim means thin in an attractive or healthy way. Slim is often used to describe a person or object that has a neat, slender, and attractive shape. For example, she has a slim figure. Or, this phone is very slim and light. Panic. Panic means a sudden, strong feeling of fear that makes it hard to think clearly or act calmly. For example, when she saw the fire, she panicked and didn't know what to do. Slither. Slither means to move smoothly over the ground by sliding the body from side to side. It is often used to describe how a snake moves. For example, the snake slithered across the path. So instead of walking or running, the snake uses its whole body to slide and twist along the ground. That's the end of today's story. I hope you had fun and learned some new words. Don't forget to come back for more fun stories next time.